So many times in recent few days, I have told you now for crude oil WTI 77.4 is an ultimate support. How beautifully, yet again, the levels are proven, and crude oil WTI, despite having a not so good inventory data, it has got the support at 77.5 and has recovered beautifully since then. Likewise, natural gas has also got the support at 2.5, and in fact it failed to breach past 2.65, traded within the range. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on crude oil will be released before the US session, precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into crude oil WTI, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now see, yesterday there were a couple of observations. First was a sell entry in the morning analysis till towards 77.4 it has dropped, and then a good recovery we have seen. Now look at the movements, look at these two candles and these two candles. Certainly there is a support now at 78.5 levels, only below which we can expect little bearishness. Yes, 78.5 you can take at least, because below which only you can expect that we may see a little drop. Second, look at the candle size. Despite having a greener candle, the body size has minimized, body size has diminished, which means that the bullishness is reducing here, and this makes 79.5, 79.8 levels as a very good resistance level. So yes, if you see it trading above 79.5, you can buy, but then expect 79.8, 80.2, and beyond that only little more bullishness is confirmed. Now see, it has completed the journey till here, and now if you look at the formation, this is an expanding triangle, this is still a bearish triangle. Hence, once you see it trading below 78.5 levels, you can sell, and you can expect that we may see 78, 77.8 and 77.4 levels, which is a very good support. Below that, a sharp drop can be seen. Now look, directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards has come to overbought levels. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI trading at the highs here. If you look at the 2 hour, similarly on the 2 hour chart, the support now at 78.5 levels, you can say, below which only you can expect little bearishness. Also, if you look at the movement there, it is trying to trade within this channel. The highs of this channel now at 80.2, and beyond that we may see further bullishness, which might take it till towards 80.6 and 81 levels. So for the day you can buy at 79.5 levels, beyond which 79.8, 80.2 and 80.6, 81 levels are the next resistance level. Now look at the directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over here. This is divergent, this is bullish, this is looking upwards, and this crossover is happening at a sub-zero level, so possibly it can try to lift it a little up. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at 3-hour chart, now clearly on the 3-hour chart, see it is trying to trade bullish here, but see this time it failed to break past the high or achieve the highs of this channel. Hence, you need to wait for it to break past 79.5 in order to confirm the bullishness for 79.8, 80.2 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic rising, and it has come to overbought levels. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish crossover. RSI trying to look downwards, indicating little bearishness. And now on 4-hour chart, see on the 4-hour charts, one important, see it was trading in this slightly bearish zone, slightly bearish channel. Now it is trying to look upwards, trying to show little strength. Also, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 period moving average, which is a little bullish sign. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish. It is trying to converge crossover. RSI rising, MACD trying to crossover for the buy entry again, and RSI also looking upwards. So yes, stochastic rising, that was the point earlier. And if you look at the daily charts, now see the fresh candle, the new candle on oil is yet to start. There is a crossover here between the 20 and 50 period moving average. At the same time, you can see this previous two candles, lower highs, lower lows, which means the next candle, if you see it trading above 79.5, you can expect 79.8, then 80.2. In fact, we may see it hitting 81 again this time. That is very much possible, and hence wait for the next candle for it to break past 79.5 levels. Also, if the next candle opens below and takes it little down, yes, below 78.5, that is the level below which it may try to trade little bearish, but remember this zone is certainly very stronger support here. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is in green, trading with little divergence. RSI is trading flat. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to buy at 79.5 levels. But remember, till 80.2, till 80.2, do not consider this as bullish. Till 80.2, probably it can reverse again, and hence you have to trail your stop losses. You can either book profit at 79.8, 80, and then 80.2 levels, and then keep re-entering. That is the first part. Beyond 80.2, 80.6, 81, and then we will see it hitting 82.6 also, if not today, possibly by tomorrow if it continues to trade bullish from here. Then on the downside, you can sell at 78.5 levels, below which 78, 77.8, and then 77.4. These three levels you should mark out for only and only if it draws below 77.4. Further bearishness will be seen, and then we can see 76 and in fact 75, 74 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying right entries, right exits at the right time, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see net gas on the hourly charts. You can see three. First of all, look at these candles. Lower highs, lower lows were seen. Then these two candles have given a little breakout. Second thing is, even if it is given a breakout, the candle size has diminished. Bullishness is diminishing here. So yes, it is trying to break out, but it is still trying to restrain itself from giving a free move. It is still trading in this bearish channel. So yes, you can buy at 2.55 levels, but then you have to be alert for 2.575 and 2.6 levels, beyond which only we can expect that it is trying to trade bullish. So only and only if it trades about 2.6, we can expect that it is bullish. But look at the hourly chart. See the support levels here at 2.5. Previously it was 2.4, and now it is trying to keep it a little high. And if you look at rise, retracement, now if it continues to rise, we may see further rise highs here, and hence you should be watchful. Directional movement here is bearish, divergent, stochastic rising. It has come to overbought levels. The MACD is bearish so far. It is trying to converge, crossover for the buy entries. RSI is trading at bottom and at comfortable levels. If you look at 2-hour chart, see higher highs, higher lows, possibly 2.55, 2.56 levels, beyond which certainly we may see little more highs for 2. You can say 2.5, 2.59, 2.6 levels should be a good resistance there on the upside. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom and it is oversold. It is trying to recover. MACD is bearish, trying to converge, crossover. RSI is also trading at bottom. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, look first two candles, higher highs, higher lows. So once you see it trading about 2.55, you can buy for 2.575, 2.595, and then beyond that we may see a little more rise for 2.6364 levels, beyond which only we can see it rising for 2.7, 2.8 levels. And in previous analysis, multiple time I have told you that 2.8 is a very good resistance. We have to, natural gas has to break past 2.8 in order to trade the bulls there. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish here. It may try to converge. RSI at bottom and it is trying to look down again. Now look at 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, multiple times I have told, see it is trading, it was trading in this bearish channel. 2.4, see this support level, though the channel was bearish, but it has given a flat bottom, which means that it may try to get the support and it may try to rise. Likewise, now it is trying to give you higher lows, higher highs here, and it is trying to recover or reverse from here on the 4-hour charts. The next candle, if it takes above 2.55, stay long, and then you can expect 2.6, 2.63, and yes, any movement beyond 2.66 will take it above 2.7 also. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom, trading oversold. MACD has crossed over and it is trying to converge here. RSI is also trying to look upwards and show a little strength. Now look at the daily chart. See, firstly, it is trading above the bottom here, and see, this is still in consolidation. Lower highs, higher lows are seen here. Now if you look at yesterday's candle, is still in red and failing to go past about 2.65, it is reversed. But this zone is certainly a stronger no trade zone. Any movement about 2.6365 today is a very good indication that it may break past 2.7 and above levels. And on the downside, 2.5 is anyways a good sell entry there. So for the day, first let's also have a look at indicators. Directional movement bearish here. Stochastic at comfortable levels, neither overbought nor oversold. MACD is in green, trading with little divergence, and RSI is trading at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 2.55 levels, but then you have to be cautious till 2.6366 zone. Only if it breaks past 2.66, you can confirm that it is giving a breakout. We can expect 2.7, 2.8 levels. Hence, take your trades accordingly. And on the downside, sell below 2.5, but then 2.465, 2.44 and 2.4. These are the three strongest resistance level. Only below 2.4, you can consider that it is trying to give a breakout, and then further lows till towards 2.2 can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.